Come here. Gavin, you want to come in the kitchen? Ready? Come in here. Come on. Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. Are you going to bring your purse? You going to bring your purse? Your sister would be upset if she knew you had that. Come here. Come here. What are you doing? Where you going? You're running away. You're running away. Where are you going? Where are you going? I see you. I see you. I'm coming to get you. I see you. I'm coming to get you. I'm coming behind you. I see you. What'd you find? What did you find? Come in here. Come here. Come get me. Come get me. Come get me. You're running the wrong way. Where are you going? Don't hit that, Daddy. Don't like that. Oops. Where are you going? That was very close. You almost hit your head on the wall. You're like a puppy dog. Hello. See you later.